Welcome to another Network Guru Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of removing an email address from your Facebook account using the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribe to my channel and giving it a like as it really helps me out. To remove an email address from your Facebook account, follow these steps. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. Tap on the menu button located in the bottom right corner of the app. Once the menu opens, select the gear icon in the top right corner next to the search icon to open up the settings. In the settings, navigate to the Account Center section and select See More in Account Center at the bottom. Scroll down to Account Settings and select Personal Details. In Personal Details, select Contact Info. Choose the email address you want to delete from your Facebook account. Once selected, tap on Delete Email. You'll receive a notice informing you that you can no longer use this email to log in or reset your password. Confirm by selecting Delete. Enter your password when prompted. After confirmation, you'll receive a notification that the email has been deleted. Tap Close to return to your contact info, and the email address will no longer be associated with your Facebook accounts. That is it. You've successfully removed an email address from Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comment below and I'll get back to you. For more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe to Network Guru for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.